Hello friend, in this example, we will be create a custom carousel image slider as a responsive design in LWC, where user can change the controller of the slider using the stop and play button, and there is a next and previous button on the bottom of the slider, so that user can go the back and go the previous slider image easily. We will use this slider image to create lightning carousel image tag element in the lightning web component. I will give you a live example scenario link in the part of the description in this video. Thank you.